Hey there everyone, it is Vickie Howell, founder of YarnYAY, a subscription box for yarn lovers, for knitters, for crocheters, for people that just like yarn craft. And I am here to do an unboxing of December box. I am so excited. I'm going to give you, so fair warning, spoiler alert, if you want to be surprised, if you are an existing subscriber or are thinking about subscribing, but really want it to be a surprise when it comes to your doorstep, walk away now, because I'm about to unleash December box. So I'm really excited about this box. I've been excited about every box, and they just keep getting more fun and better in my opinion. Extra excitement for this particular box is that we got a quick glimpse of it and a promotion for it on Hallmark Home and Family show this week. I was a guest on it. Not sure if you saw it, but my friend singer Lisa Loeb and I taught how to make a fun gift, and in the show they gave a little quick sneak peek, so some of you may not have even known it, but you got a really quick glance of what is inside December's box. And more great news for YarnYAY is that we were included on the top 24 gifts for knitter and crochets list on BuzzFeed. So super excited. And I see that we have existing members. Hi, Becky. Good to see you. We've got Penny. It's so great to see. I love seeing, I do these lives so that I can interact with people as we go. One of the big things about YarnYAY is the community that's around it. This has nothing to do with the unboxing. This is something that you get every single month. You get access to our private YarnYAY Facebook group. That's where we all hang out. We stitch together not only these projects, but other projects in between. I interact with everyone almost every day. I also do tutorials for the sort of newish skills that might be involved for the patterns. We bring in different guests for exclusive interviews. You get, people in the group get them before any of the public does. That's just a bonus. That's not even worked into the price. That's just a bonus. So, and a bunch of the my beloved members are here watching today. So this is really, really fun. If you know anybody that might be interested in a knitting and crochet subscription box, please share this video. Sharing it helps people see it and my small business. And it's really important to me, in addition to obviously having a successful small business myself, to support as many independent, mostly female run, but independent businesses as I can. And that is my goal whenever I'm curating each box. Okay, I have given you enough time to walk away if you did not, or click off if you did not want to see what's in the December box. So, December box, opening it up. As always, the first thing that you see when you open one of my boxes is the booklet. In every single box, we have both a knitting and a crochet pattern of the exact same type of item. Obviously, it looks a little bit different. Design elements are different for knitting and crochet, but unlike other boxes, they do them totally cool. But what I've noticed over the course of my career, the past 15 years, is that my crocheters get bummed when there's not a pattern that the knitters are making and vice versa. So I wanted to make sure that we were all inclusive. So in this booklet, you'll get two fully, tech edited patterns for accessories. You also get a little information about all of the companies that you're supporting by buying the respective month's box. So that's the first thing you'll always see. I see you still joining in. Hi, Jennifer. Hi, Cindy. Watching from all over the nation, it looks like. Okay, the first thing, I normally start with the yarn when I unbox these because, YarnYAY. But the first thing that you're going to notice that in this box is that it's going to smell delicious. And that is because, first, let me step back. The theme of this box this month is hands. Everything is in some way tied to our hands. So the first thing, you're going to smell something delicious, and that is going to be organic. It's backwards, sorry, the forward-facing camera. Love and Leche Little Bee Lotion Bar. This one's lavender and mint. There's a few fragrances. You'll get one at random. This is a lovely bar, and it's a moisturizer, and it melts right into your hands. It is good for really kind of all over your body. It really helps, especially when we're working, in the winter with wool and our hands get really dry. It smells so good. This is lavender mint, so good. It really helps the hands. It's lovely. You can use this on your cuticles. And this is, Love and Leche is owned by a woman in New Mexico. She has really grown this business over the past several years, and I just respect that she's been able to grow this business, and I love that she uses, you know, organic ingredients. She uses beeswax from New Mexican bees, so this is good stuff. So, Love and Leche, Little Bee Lotion Bar in one of 3 fragrances. That'll be a surprise because I don't pick them. I have a fulfillment house that does that. Okay, so hands, moisturizing. That's the first one. The second thing, and now I'll go to the yarn, is hand-dyed yarn. All right, so normally what I do is I choose 2 or 3 colors and then you get them at random. This time, everyone is getting both colors of hand-dyed Koigu yarn. Koigu is a great company, also woman-owned. They are out of Canada, and Tayu, who runs the company now, she is the daughter of the original founder. She, especially for me, I love the Chelsea Aran. I love this weight. Tayu came on to my show, The Knit Show, which you can still see on YouTube. The episode she was on, I believe, the color episode. She came on and showed a project using this. It's an Aran weight yarn, and what she taught and what I would like to pass along to you is how to meld 2 colors. They're different, but close enough that we'll be melding them together so it creates kind of a faded look. Fading is obviously really on trend right now, but the women at Koigu who have been hand dyeing have been using the technique for 20 years. So she made special half hanks just for us so that we could try more than one color. So just for us, you can't get this yardage anyplace else. And look, she even, how cute is this? She even put our little Koigu and YarnYAY labels on it. So cute. She did this for us, and she numbers all her colors. So I think it's like 513X and 522, but really pretty. And I'm excited that you will have enough yardage to make, I told you we're doing the hands theme, right? We're going to be making mittens, folks. All about the hands. We have enough yardage to make a pair. You can either make a knit pair, which will be relatively simple with, we are working on double pointed needles, or you can do the magic loop method. It'll be reverse stockinette, and then I did just a little bit of twisted rib in the center just for a little bit of interest. Super warm, and you can barely tell, but on one mitten, okay, I started with one color and slowly faded, so it looks like you've watercolored and changed. For the second mitten, full disclosure, haven't made it yet. I was planning on making it with the group. I'd like to stitch along this time. At the same time, I'm going to reverse the colors and start with this one and move to this one. So super fun. Now, that's for knitters. And because I do everything for crocheters that I do for knitters, there is a crochet mitten as well. So cute. Again, we're doing the fading a little bit differently. I actually striped with this one because crochet stitch fading works a little bit differently, but so fun. Again, I started these at the top, started with this color and faded into the other and then switched back. I'll do the opposite for the second. So if you're a knitter that has made a million mittens, maybe you want to branch out a little and just learn how to crochet mittens. This could be the time. This could be do it. You'll have a great community to help. I'll be there, of course, but there's also, you know, hundreds of other great experienced stitchers that are in the group that will be able to jump in. Or vice versa. Maybe you're a seasoned crocheter, you know how to knit a bit, but you really have been wanting to delve into learning how to work a thumb gusset or even just work on double pointed needles at all. So that's it for this. So the yarn part is a hank each of Koigu, Chelsea, Aran in 2 different colors. Everyone's getting the same colors. And, oh, by the way, thanks, Chris Garsky, who's telling us to buy everything now. I should tell you, normally we wait until the 13th to open sales, but it's Christmas time, and I know some people want to make sure that they get the gifts for themselves or for others, so sales are actually open now as I'm doing this live. So you can go to YarnYAY.com right now and get what you need to get. So All right, so you get the yarn for this, you get the patterns for, this is totally the wrong pattern. This is November's pattern. You get the pattern for these mittens, and you get the Love and Leche hand lotion. Okay, that is it so far. I was trying to find where the brochure is for this time, but you get what I'm selling. Okay, so the last thing that we're doing for the hands is we will be hand sewing. Now, do not run away if you're not a sewist, because this is a very, very tiny project that requires almost no sewing. But, you know, I like a theme, so that's where I'm going. All right, some of you might, who listen to my podcast, Craftish, might have heard me recently interview Anda Corey. I'm going to sit on my feet because I'm too short to be in frame. Anda Corey is the author of the latest, again, this will be backwards because the forward-facing camera, the latest Spoonflower book. And I am in love with this book. I liked it so much that after we were talking, after I interviewed Anda, who I had never met before, we talked for another 30 minutes and decided we wanted to work together, and we put together a kit. So you will be getting a kit so that you can make a wee pincushion. Isn't it so cute? So this fabric, let me show you everything that you get in it. So I have to tell you a story about this in a second. Let me show you what's in it, and then I'll tell you the story. So you get Anda designed, she's an illustrator. So she designed this fabric, and you can see there's the circle that you just need to cut out. It also has the directions, and we'll be making this together. I made it in like 15 minutes, so I promise you it is not a big sewing commitment. So it comes with the fabric for it. It comes with a little link to show you how to do the blanket stitch, but I'll also totally show you. You know I will in the group. They have a special link, tryspoonflower.com YarnYAY, where you'll also have a larger explanation of the blanket stitch, and it gives you a little link to get 15% off of Spoonflower. Do y'all know what Spoonflower is? I don't know if you are. Raise your hand if you know what Spoonflower is. I have been using them for about, 5 years. They are they're a fabric company, a digital printing fabric company. So you can literally upload anything that you want, a picture, your hand sketches, and get it printed on fabric. But there's also tens of thousands of designers on there, like Anda Corey, who have created these fabrics for you. And I ordered a bunch of fabrics recently. Like, I was planning to make a skirt for Home and Family, and I ran out of time. So now I think this is going to be a tree skirt. And then I'm making something for my 9-year-old daughter. I'm making a little dress. And so this is, Christmas cats. All of this is from Spoonflower. It's one of those places that you can go and they do wallpaper and wrapping paper and fabric and just put in like, I want something with llamas on it. And all of the stuff comes up. All right, I digress though. So you get the fabric, you get the instructions, you get the discount on Spoonflower, you get the little, it's like a stiff felt square to put in the bottom. You also get the embroidery needle and the floss and the little stuffing to go in it. So every single thing that you need other than a pair of scissors is in here, plus access to learning more about the Spoonflower book that I love and also their fabric in general. If you have any proclivity towards fabric at all, you're going to be obsessed. And I'm so happy for you to be able to just get a little tiny taste of it with this kit. Now, here's a story I meant to tell you. So Anda is American, but she lives in Berlin. She actually launched Etsy Berlin years ago. When we decided we wanted to put these kits together, Spoonflower is in North Carolina. We were trying to figure out how to make this work to get, hold one second. Nicola's asking if the stuffing is wool. The stuffing I've included is polyfill, but you can absolutely use cotton or wool or anything else that you want if you'd like to use something different. All right, so we were trying to figure out how to be able to bring this kit without having to be so expensive that I couldn't keep my price as low as my boxes are, with different countries, different states. So we ended up having everything just sent to my house. And my mother-in-law, and then later my mom during Thanksgiving week, spend hours and hours and hours kitting these out together. So literally all of these were stuffed with a whole lot of love and come from our house. And it's also just a great example of how it took a village, and it was a village of, you know, 5 women in 3 different states. So anyways, just a little story. So that is what you get with this, with the December YarnYAY box. Again, you get the patterns for both crochet and knit mittens that use the fading technique that's really in right now. 2 hanks, specially wound hanks just for YarnYAY in a special yardage. You get the kit for the pincushion and access to our group. All right, now what we've also started to do is offer some add-ons. I buy a limited amount of add-ons that don't go in the box. This is an additional thing. But this box we have, these are the needles that I used to knit the mitten were Knitter's Pride Dreams, size 9. So I have about 100, 150 pair of these. I have a good amount of these, but you've got to get them fast because the add-ons always sell out. Then this is the wrong color because I was using mine in the correct size and color to crochet the mitten and promptly lost it. But we also have, these are Clover size J, Amore, let me try that again. Clover size J Amore hooks. So I only have about 25 of those because I don't really know how many crocheters or people who crochet that I have yet. So I'm still trying to figure that out. So if you want the add-on, whether or not you are an existing subscriber or thinking about becoming a new one, make sure you jump on these right away because they will sell out and probably right away. So again, it's Knitter's Pride size 9, 5.5 millimeter Dreams, and then Clover size J Amore crochet hook. Okay, that is everything. I think that we got it all fit in. So go to yarnyay.com right now. Our sales are open early to make sure that we can get stuff out to you before the holidays. Please, if you know anybody that might know a knitter or a crocheter who might be interested in something like this under their tree. And by the way, you can also order one as a gift, have it sent to your house, wrap it, and then put it under their tree if you want to do that. Then you should get there now. We also do have some November boxes left, so you can add that box too, and you could have a stack. That's an amazing gift. So you can do monthly, you can do 3-month, you can do 6-month, you can do 12-month. You can pause after 1 month if you're not sure. Super flexible, $35 a month, all of that. This month, it's a $50 value. This is $20 worth of yarn, $10 kit, $10 lotion bar, $5 each pattern, $50. I think I included numbers, not always my thing. $50 value for $35 plus shipping. So, what are you waiting for? So I see a question. Are there any October boxes left? No, we sold out of October. We've sold out of all other months. We just grew a bunch. I ordered way more inventory for November and December because it's winter time. So it's, well, not technically yet, but it's colder now. So I think people are going to be in it to win it. All right. I cannot wait to see you in the YarnYAY group. We have some live appearances scheduled already with Anda. We've got Davin Lee from Love and Leche. I'm working on getting Tayu from Koigu. We'll be able to ask them questions and hang out. All right, everyone. Thank you so much, as always, for your time. Please share this wherever you can, and I will see you in YarnYAY. YarnYAY, Nia? That didn't work. In the YarnYAY group and on the boards, hopefully, very soon. Bye!